At Skydex, we protect people and things that matter. For more than 2 decades, we've engineered impact protection solutions used by the armed forces in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Now, we're taking our revolutionary technology to new heights. Introducing the Skydex Isofit Helmet Protection System. Combining Skydex exceptional impact mitigation technology with HelmetComp's innovative expertise. The Isofit Helmet Protection System offers greater comfort without compromising protection. Today's warfighter relies on helmet-mounted equipment. This heavy equipment creates an unequal and unstable load. As a result, critical systems like night vision are less effective and the user is uncomfortable, causing unnecessary distraction when the mission demands clear focus. The Isofit Micro Adjustment Liner System provides a personalized, perfect fit for every user. By uniquely adjusting across the entire head, the system evenly distributes pressure and weight to ensure high performance and minimize distraction. The next generation of head protection has arrived. Join us and bring your helmet into the future.